Hello everybody, time for an Auto World unboxing. That means we are going premium. Auto World 164 Premium 2018 Release 4. I believe this is the last of the year. I could be wrong. Always in two batches. Just look for that last letter. The letter A right here, the letter B right there. 6 models in each batch. We are going to open them up. I already cut them open. And we're going to have a look at what is here in the final release. I think Release 3, Premium Release 3 has been hitting Walmarts. I've noticed that some of you have been finding it. Obviously, hobby dealers have it. Hobby dealers will have these very soon. Let's just push these back and let's just go for it. Auto World, beautiful 1/64 scale models. And we are going to start with a brand new casting. This is the 1962 Chevy Impala convertible. Now let's look at the box real quick before we get to this. Obviously it says new tool. There's some facts about the car. There's obviously the car, which we'll look at in a second. All of this mumbo jumbo on the back. But let's get back to the Impala. This is the A version. Of course, we'll look at the B version soon. Convertible. We had a hardtop in the Release 3, and they had hinted that a convertible was coming. I think it's actually debuted in a special display case. It was a display case exclusive, but here is the first time in the premium line in white and in, what would that be, aqua blue, baby blue. Oh, they tell you. Twilight turquoise. And what's this one? I love that they're doing that. I think some of you noticed that they were, and I didn't even. Another little detail of one of the reasons I love Auto World is because they really, it's all about realism. Okay. Making sure I'm getting these right because we're just kind of hitting all the good stuff right away. Check these out. It is the 1975 Buick Estate Wagon. Now, it says new tool, and I believe this is considered a different year from the first one. They released the first 2 of this casting, but they've made it so they can modify it from a 74 to a 75. I think the last one was a 74. This is considered a 75. I don't know what the differences are. This one has wood paneling on it. It is in a sand beige color. Oh, look how pretty that is. I'm going to have to do an Auto World wagon feature because this is phenomenal. Look how nice that is. So there's the beige, sand beige, and then Arctic white. I even like that one. I might even like that one better. Nothing like a good Auto World wood-paneled wagon. So I think they've mentioned, they're doing this with a lot of castings. They're able to build the tool and then modify them slightly to be as realistic as they can. There's the artwork to make these, just like the real thing. So what's the difference between a 75 and a 74? Well, they're there and they're replicated in the casting. All right, next one. 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1. We have seen this casting, I think, once before in this year. We've seen it several times. I won't argue, right? Auto World is slow in developing new castings. I know that bums some of you out. At the same time, they're so realistic, and it's just like, take that Tomic Limited Vintage car dealer set that you have, and just take these cars and put them on there like it's like a Ford lot and they're selling Mustangs. I mean, look how beautiful it is. Medium blue poly. When I say stock, I mean stock. They're replicating the paint from these cars. So medium blue poly, and that one's easy. Bright lime. Look at that. I mean, these castings are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And those that think there's too much of a JDM craze, Auto World should be scratching that itch. Okay, how about these? These are always tremendously popular, and they have come back. This is the 1965 Ford GT40 in Gulf Blue and Orange. There's some fun facts for you. By the way, 4728, so 4,728, plus there's the Ultra Red Chases and the Ultra Raw. So this one is the first non-hobby related licensed Gulf. We have a lot of GT40s. A lot of them in the Gulf colors, and then we saw the first licensed Gulf one. It was a hobby exclusive, I think Miho exclusive. So this is the first mainline, or whatever you want to call it, premium release, non-hobby. There's the artwork because it has the actual Gulf logo on it. That's in the blue and orange, and then check this out. That's in that alternate Gulf coloring, and they're putting it here dark blue and orange, custom dark blue and orange. Now, I think they're adding the word custom because I don't know if a Ford GT came in this alternate Gulf coloring. I know I've seen cars in this Gulf coloring. But how beautiful is that? These are bound to be super popular, obviously. I mean, the wagons and the Mustangs are all great, but Ford GTs are just good. But look, this batch, I mean, Ford GTs, the wagons, the Mustangs, and now look at this. Look at this. This is a loaded batch. Lots of exciting models on here. 1976 Cadillac Coupe de Ville d'Elegance. Sable black. It's not in focus. There you go. Look, it looks black, but then start looking real closely. There is a red trim on it. Now I'm going to have to do my research and find out if these maybe it's these d'Elegance Cadillacs. I'm going to have to. Came with this kind of trim, but this is something. Blue interior, that is just awesome. And then you get the white d'Elegance with a two-tone interior, red and white. That red trim as well on the outside, and it looks like they fixed the hood problem. The last time they released the Cadillac, the hood was a little scawampus, kind of sticking out a little bit. But it looks like they have fixed that, so it's a lot more even. Look at the gold line tires on that. Okay, that's one luxurious boat. All right. And we're going to finish it off with another pair of beauties. Wow. This Premium Release 3 was great. Premium Release 4 is off the charts. This may be the best release of Autoworld I've seen with all of these. All right. This is the 1969 Pontiac Firebird in Carousel Red. Look how pretty that is. With the white vinyl top. And this one has the black vinyl top in Vidoro Green Poly. There you go. Love that olive green color. Well, there you go, everybody. That is one spectacular release. Bound to be in hobby stores very soon, like Surplus Goodies. That's who I like to use. And then, of course, I've got these all mixed up, but you know what they are. But, yeah, and Walmart's, I'm assuming, soon after that. So, quite the release here. I don't even have room for the Impalas here. 1 and 2. There you go. Thanks, Autoworld, for sending these over. Round 2, so we can preview them. Fantastic, fantastic models. They look great in the package and outside of the package. Look for them soon, everybody. Bye.